In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the current theme on Shopify. Changing your theme is one of the quickest ways to give your online store a fresh look without touching your products or your existing data. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch to a different theme, try out free options, and explore even more designs from the Shopify theme store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin page where you manage your products, orders, and settings. If you're not already there, log into your store and you should land on the dashboard automatically. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option called Online Store and click on it. This section controls everything related to how your store looks to visitors. When you click Online Store, it will expand and you'll be taken to the Themes page. On the Themes page, you'll see your current live theme at the top, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find a section called Theme Library. This is where your other available themes live. These are themes you've already added, but are not currently published. Take a moment to look through this list and identify the theme you'd like to switch to. When you find the theme you want to make live, look to the right of that theme and click the Publish button. Shopify will ask you to confirm, because publishing a theme will immediately make it the active theme for your store. Confirm the action, and your storefront will update to the new design. Don't worry, your products and content remain the same, only the layout and styling change. If you don't see a theme you like in your library, scroll further to the section called Popular Free Themes. Here you can preview a variety of free themes recommended by Shopify. When you find one you like, click Add below that theme. This adds it to your theme library, and from there, you can publish it the same way as before. Finally, if you want even more options, click Visit Theme Store. This opens the full Shopify theme store, where you can browse free and paid themes by industry, style, and features. When you add any of these themes to your store, they'll appear in your theme library, ready for you to publish whenever you're ready.